Welcome back to our vlog.
In today's video,
Tatakot siya. Where are we going to?
to buy goggles.
So, bye now. Where are we going ba after?
San Felipe.
Liwa. So, we're going to do another outing video. Stay tuned.
Bye! Kuya Ryan and family.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
So, what did you buy?
Water gun and goggles.
Show me nga. Show mo, labas mo. Wow, what's this?
Water gun.
Water gun.
Here's the goggles.
Goggles. Bay, dalawa yung goggles mo.
This is for me and this is for Ray.
Okay. What about our new baby? Wala siyang goggles?
She's still in mommy's bed.
She's still in mommy's belly. So, nagsiswim siya inside, right? Where are you now?
At Dunkin' Donuts.
So, what are you having?
Chocolate.
Saan na tayo punta after?
Huntus.
What's that, Kuya?
Cake.
Where are we going next?
San Felipe.
To do what?
Celebrate your birthday.
Birthday pala ni Daddy, wow. Hi, nailapat. Where are we going, Kuya?
San Felipe.
San Felipe. Para mag...
Celebrate ng birthday ni Daddy.
Oh, birthday ko pala.
Happy birthday!
San Rain?
Wala rain. Happy birthday to you! You sing!
Nabaliw na. So, stay tuned. Right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Where are we now?
Silipay.
Philippine Villa. After 2 hours, naligaw pa kami. Stay tuned sa mangyayari. Are you tired? Mas tired si Daddy. Yan. So we're here. This is our villa for today. Grabe, naligaw pa kami, guys. Baka maisingit namin yung tinahanan namin kanina na video. So, guys, muna kami. Ayun na. Ayan si Tito Kevin. So, we're here. We're just checking the place out. Where are you, kay Ryan? Ayan. So, we're here. Hindi pa namin naikot yung lugar. Pero, we're still going to check it out. Ayan. Dito muna kami sa tutuluyan namin. Oh, I see the pool. Kuya, it's there. The pool is there.
Where's the pool?
Gotcha. Yes. Liit lang yung pool nila. Most of them walang pool. Kasi it's a beach resort. So where are we now? Kay Ryan.
Silipay.
Sa Felipe. Katahimikan. Katahimikang taglay. Medyo malayo lang siya sa kabihasnan ng aming villa. So, ayan, mga pet friendly naman sila dito. So, is our villa. This is our house.
Hello!
Diyan ka? Mag-sleep? Diyan si Tito Kevin, doon ka na sa taas.
Ano sa taas na rin?
Hi! Yay! Yay! Woo! Where are you now? Where are you now, Rain? Jop. Jopay? Happy?
Eko, Bibi.
Let's go, Bibi. Saan Bibi mo?
Bibi. Hi.
Here na ang Philippine Villa.
Hi, Rain.
Dad, dito abot yung
Bawasan natin yung lamesa.
Kain mo natin.
Oh my God.
Chow time.
It's Daddy's birthday. Happy day to you. Gusto mo naman, friends. You wanna
Swim ka na? Ligong-ligo ka na, baby. Swim na. Am-am mo na, am-am. What are you doing there, Ryan? Hindi kasi natutulog ng tanghali kaya hindi mo abot. Sing. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Yay! Walang katil.
Blow, you blow.
Blow.
Yummy.
Hi!
Kulay blue ang aming mga bibig.
Nandito kami sa probinsya ng San Felipe, Zambales. Ito ka dito sa Lintugwa.
Nag-ube cake kami kaya ganyan ang aming mga lips. Ryan, you're tired already? Let's go home na?
Let's go.
Ayaw. Where are we, Ryan? Ha?
At daliw-liw.
Liwa-Liwa Beach. Busog ka? Kain ng tummy mo. Dumating kami dito and we just had lunch. It's already 5:30 na, no? Kuya Ryan, no? Naligaw kasi kami kanina. I think may insert tayong clip. Maling daan ang aming pinasok.
Flashback.
Diyan ba yung daan? Baka dito ata yun eh. Diyan ba yun, Kebs? Kebs? Dito ata. Kevin! Yun ang di ko alam. Ay, lumay nagpapindagan.
Ibang resort niya yan.
End of flashback.
So, we're going to the beach to check it out. It's worth seeing. Pero may pool naman doon. Accommodation na. So, stay tuned. Parang di matao no kahit weekend.
There's Ate Rita.
Because
Ate Rita yan.
Ate Rita is sa vlog
Si Ate Rita yan. Oo nga, first time ni Ate Rita sa vlog ni Kuya Ryan. Nakasubscribe ka na ba sa amin, Tito Kevin? Mag-subscribe ka na para madagdagan ng isa.
At kasama ka dito. Kasama ka
Kasama
sa
ka
vlog.
namin. Lakad-lakad lang si Buntis. Hanggang mag-labor.
Kayak. Ano yun nandoon? Yapak. Yapak ng mga yapak. Yapak. Kanina may nadaan tayong ano yung
Back to you
convenience
guys.
store.
So ayan, nakakuha kami ng idea. Nakakuha kami ng idea sa road signage. So we're here. Medyo malayong lakad lang. Siguro mga 1 kilometer walk from our accommodation. And then we're here. It's actually weekend. Saturday while we're taping this, kaya medyo maraming tao. And this is like the surfing capital of Zambales. Rain, where are you? Rain, where are you? Swim. Swim. Where's Kuya? A boat? Wow, boat. So, yes, boat. It's raining there, oh. Kaya medyo maraming kalat sa dagat. So, let's go back to the pool. Swim. So, yan. Kuya ang in charge sa aming kagamitan. Tinawid niya kami sa tulay using pushcart. So, shout out kay Kuya. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya? Tatay Efren. So, ayan. Medyo gabi na. It's already 6:30 at maingay na ang mga kuliglig. Crickets. We're almost back sa aming accommodation. Ayun na siya. Tanaw na. Ayan, we're back. So, dinner is almost served. Prepare lang kami. Unload ng mga gamit na dala ni Tatay Efren. Tapos, swimming time.
Rain! Swim? Ha? Yeah. Hello, Ryan. Uy. Nagawa mo dyan, Ryan. How are you? Yan. How was it? How's the water? Rain, rain. We're here at Silly Pines Villa. And it's night na.
Huwag ka manipa!
Rain, rain! Sa'yo ba yan, nak? Ryan, abot mo yung floor? Hindi ka natatakot? Yan, yan. Hindi ka takot? Hi, Ryan. How are you? Happy? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. You say.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Careful. Be careful. Go. Go. Yay!
Ikaw na lang bata dyan sa pool. Oh. Tingin ko nga yung water gun mo. Ah, lakas ba yan? Oh, lakas ah. Isa pa nga. Galing ah. Galing, wow. Kuya Ryan, it's time to sleep. I'll take my shower. Always take your shower before diving or entering the pool. Right, Mom?
No.
Grabing taas.
Yeah.
Parang 2 weeks bago bumagsak yung water.
Wag ah. Baliw.
Ryan, look at my... So everyone's sleeping already. And our accommodation here at the back. You get it. You get the water gun. Look, you're like a crab. You're moving sideways. So we'll stay here until maybe 1. We're going to sleep. Because kids need to sleep early, right? But you're not sleeping yet. Are you not a kid anymore?
Yeah.
How old are you?
8.
8. That's a kid. Let's go! Hi guys. We just finished showering while eating something.
I want something to eat. I just toothbrush.
So I want to eat again. So I want to have some snacks. So it's lights out na. Rain is already upstairs, sleeping. So tomorrow we'll continue with our vlog after we have our breakfast, of course. So stay tuned. We'll be having our photo shoot tomorrow. Good night.
The next day.
Say hi.
Nalaglag
We're on our second day. Si Mami. We're just having our breakfast. Yummy. So, and then swimming later.
Raining! Hi! Hello! Wow, galing naman Rain, and Ryan. O si Rayo walang salbabida yan. Ha? Ah, abot niya. Makatingala lang. Ay, go to daddy.
Rain.
Oh, no. Ang galing ah. Very good ah.
Sky Shark, Rain.
Wag sa tenga naka. Yan, wag sa tenga.
Baby Shark.
Okay. Uy, si Rain lumulubog. Wala pa nga eh.
Shark. Dun.
Sim, rain. Rain. Galing na ni Ryan ah.
So we're going home. Where are we now, Kuya? Longapo. So we're going home. What happened? Did you enjoy? Dapat doon ka na naiwan, no?
Iwan
No?
ka doon.
Iwan ka doon? Gusto niya. So what will you tell your subscribers?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
So see you on our next travel video. Bye! That's Rain. Flee.
Sleep.
Bye! See you on our next video!
Bye.